Jiga to the airport. Crying. Literally crying. We have my 6-week checkup.
Dun, dun, dun.
And then we have some truck stuff to take care of. So we got a pretty busy day. Uncle Jiggy was with us from the birth of Zori. How does it feel that you're leaving Zori, Jane? You've literally been with her since she was born.
Yo, my heart's pounding right now.
Really?
My heart hurt.
He's been with us from November 29th. It's January 10th today. And he's leaving us. You'll be missed. Yeah, I am gonna cry. I can't even deny it. I can't even deny it. One thing I love is my family, man. Zori is sleeping. She was up all night screaming at me. So, I'm tired. Papa's tired. But this is the life we chose. With 2 young kids.
Sing it again, baby. My kid turned 2, bro.
Zay, your birthday's coming up.
Kid turned 2, boy. Yeah, I can't imagine what this kid's gonna be like when she's 5, bro.
I
Tell me,
know.
Daddy, don't do that. Daddy, you need to cook my dinner. It's getting late.
This morning she woke up, gave me so much attitude. Bro,
Oh, this kid is too smart.
Mommy, wake up. I want bottle.
Yeah, that's when you text my ass right away. You're like, oh, Zay, please.
My eye was so
I'm like,
closed.
damn, we gotta get ready right now. What do you mean, Zay, please? We gotta go.
My eye was
Jigga, she texts me, Zay, please. I'm like, yo, we got to go.
so closed. I was so tired from Zori, and then Zane comes with her bright self. Mommy, wake up.
Wake ups.
Bottle. Then she goes, Mommy, iPad. I'm like, oh my god. It's like, Zariah, take it easy on me.
Yeah, she gets
She was roughing me up.
I think I've been to Pearson Airport just much. Huh?
I don't think I have either, other than when I worked there. Yeah.
It's the North Terminal, right, Jigga?
Hey, Mama. I'm glad you know. Aw.
Oh, my sister.
I love you. Try not to kiss you on the lips by accident, you know? I'm gonna miss you so much.
Atlanta.
I love you. Hi, brother.
Alright, love, bro.
Already know,
Tell us
guys.
when you're in, okay?
Yeah, hello.
Go. We are at the truck. Let me show you the keys over here, dude. You connecting them now? Perfect. Ease up. Good to go. Okay, so we're just going around just to,
Warming up the truck.
yeah, wind her up a little bit. Oh.
Like white chocolate.
Yo, we're in here shaking.
We have AC in here too, you know that? We have AC
Woo!
too.
Woo! Lord. Oh, he's talking about AC because he put on that Monclizzy today like it's cold outside.
That's too true. Let's try it.
So Zori's up. I'm just gonna feed her in the back while T deals with the truck, and Zay is up. Say hi.
Hey,
Say how are you?
how do you?
Can I see your poppet, Zay?
Yeah.
Show me your poppet. Can I see it? Wow, Zay, it's so pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Zori's looking for something, so I'm gonna feed her and we'll get back to you. We're gonna head home. Yeah. You're helping Zay?
Yeah.
So cool. What is it?
Cupcake.
Ah, it's pancake.
It's not cupcake, it's pancakes.
Cupcake.
You want to make cupcakes on your birthday?
Yeah, she wants cupcakes. I think we should.
Yeah.
that's a
I want to
good
make her
idea.
some homemade cake and maybe just cupcakes because we don't even eat the cake.
So you guys want blueberry pancakes today?
Sure.
Alright, guys.
Ja! You did it. I thought you were gonna bust your ass. Here goes Zay Zay. Dance. Oh, Zay Zay. Go Zay Zay. Oh, 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 oh. Zay Zay's plate first. Look how Daddy flips up Zay Zay. Zay Zay, you like it?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
It's orange.
Oh, you eat orange juice? Okay, what's in your plate?
Wait.
Okay. Thank you, Papa. This is every morning.
Every morning.
From Chef Trey. Hi, Zariah. Are you in your house? Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Good morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Are you in Zariah's house?
Guys, welcome to Zay Zay's house.
I'm in Gene, Daddy. I'm in Gene. Shout the diagnosis, bro.
You guys are unfair. Zariah was playing with this. As I went to take it from her, she popped it, and look at her eye. Show me your eye. Show me your eye now, Zariah. Zariah, let me see your eye. Right before her birthday. Now she has to put ice on her eye. And it's swollen. Look here, Zariah. Look here. Zariah. Zariah, are you going to listen to Mommy now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
This mommy.
Good morning, Zariah. Good morning.
I've been down.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Look at Mommy. You know your birthday is coming soon?
Her cousin's birthday, London.
Oh, today's London's birthday, Zariah.
London.
How many more days until Zariah's birthday?
London.
3 days.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ringo, 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 time.
Oh, the remix. Good morning, Miss Zori. Good morning, Zori. Says that your little sister is a little bit upset today. Why is your little sister upset? Oh, you guys are so cute.
Morning, Zor.
Charizard. You're a real firehead. Charizard.
That's what
I know, I call her Hot Tamale.
I call her Charizard.
Okay, Zori is super hot tempered so far.
No, I mean, what do you mean?
Look at me, Zori. You want to hold her?
Yeah.
Okay. You ate your breakfast already? You have the itis?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to take a nap?
Yeah.
Yours.
I will hold her.
You want to hold baby sister?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Yes, not yeah, yes.
What's your baby sister's name?
This is.
No, that's your name. What's your baby sister's name?
Daddy.
No. What's your baby sister's name?
Mommy.
No. What's your baby sister's name?
Research.
Baby Shark? You gonna call her Baby Shark?
Yeah.
Or are you watching Baby Shark? What's your baby sister's name?
Dano. Dano.
You don't know?
Nah.
Say sorry.
It's Zori. Your baby sister's name is Zori. Zariah is holding her baby sister. Yes, she's loving it.
Baby,
Aw, you love you? Oh, you're so cute, Zariah. You're a good big sister. Zariah's birthday's in 3 days. So we're not doing anything crazy because of Koviana. It's the stinky?
Yeah. What's real?
No, I don't want to smell. I don't want to smell it. Guys, Zariah just used the potty.
Yay! Day 3, guys. Day 3.
Good job, Zariah. You get a treat?
Oh, yeah.
You poo-poo? Is it smell?
Potty.
You use a potty?
Yeah.
Good girl. I'm so proud of you. Somebody is sleeping, being good. So she can be bad in the night. Hot tamale.
Welcome to Poe's Kitchen, y'all. What's on the menu tonight?
This is where the magic happens.
What's on the menu tonight?
Oh.
Seasoned and ready. Seasoned and ready. Seasoned and ready.
You know
Seasoned
when you
and
put on
ready.
the space locks, this game
You
over.
know it's game over with them spaces.
Oh. Good pause.
If you know, you know.
So I see you have on your Genesis trucking hat.
You know I stay in my Gen trucking hat. You already know.
Okay. He's bubbling up the aisle right now.
Aisle is bubbling up. Then we're gonna drop the fish in the flour, so keep the seasonings on it, like how we like it.
Look at that banana. Taking this fish, putting it in this seasoned flour, and then putting it in this pot.
The fish is, baby. The flour
Oh,
isn't.
sorry. He didn't season the flour. He just seasoned the fish.
The fish needs to be seasoned, and the aisle needs to be hot, very hot.
And he's waiting for the aisle to start pop and say it hot. Right?
Them think them really hot, but them really not. Like fish.
Do you like to eat fish?
Yeah.
I know. That's what Daddy
Do you
did.
like to eat all fruits?
Yes.
I know.
Wait, yes.
You have to wait until it cooks.
It's raw, baby. It's raw.
Sing, Zeze. She picked up her plate from the counter
What's her plate?
and she brought it over here and she went and got herself a fork.
I see that.
You got your dinner?
They're more like family.
You got your dinner? You got milk on your mouth. Hey, January 21st, 2022. Let me show you Miss Zoe. We did a mini setup here. Her first gift. This for the singer. And we did a mini setup for Miss Zoe. Ooh.
81, 82.
Are you 3? Are you 4? And here's
There's a snowman. Come on, let's go and play. I've never seen one.
Don't let them see.
spin, Zeze, spin.
2 hours later.
Go away and close that door. And carry on.
You're doing good with the words.
I don't know the words, man. You make them cute. One more. One more.
Zariah, how old are you today, Zariah?
2.
You're 2? Wow, Oh, do you love your...
Smart.
Yeah.
Her auntie's coaching her back there. You didn't even know
Uh,
it. And she showed her 2 fingers. She goes, 2. Auntie didn't say 2, you know. Auntie showed her 2 fingers.
Good job.
Look at the cake. Elsa cake. Elsa.
Babe, it's supposed to be a surprise.
Elsa.
I guess not. Okay, you can take a picture of me and Zoria and Zariah.
Daddy baked the cake for you. You like it? You touch it again. Go ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Zariah. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so we're preparing for Zariah's cake cut for her birthday. Do 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 do. Flurries through the air into the ground. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All around. Like a white proud cloud. I'm never going back. The past is in the... Let the storm rage. Cold never bother me anyway.
Good job, baby.
Good job, baby.
Food, but it's just not.
This is the wow girl.
Zariah likes a special happy birthday. She likes the happy birthday from her favorite show, Diana and Roma. We're gonna play that one.
Is your birthday? You want your cake? You want your cake? Are you busting it? You busting it? Okay. Okay, baby. Oh, who teach you to dance? Oh, you do such a good job. More dance? Yeah. More dance. Give mommy more. Mommy, you want your makeup? You want to do makeups? Yeah. Okay. Can mommy eat first? Oh, your makeup's in me.
You recording me?
You're a tuber now. You're officially a tuber.
Excuse me, off camera for a second.
There's no off.
Let me take my baby's milk.
Buddy.
Yeah, potty. Oh,
Yeah, man, I check out the YouTube vibes, you know, dog.
Oh, you checked it out?
Hey. Come on, dog. You know I follow everything, dog.
So what, you subscribed? You like and subscribe?
Notification bell.
Notification bell, baby. Here, Colonel's a notification bell,
Say
B.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Zori.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Jory.
Yo, eat some rice.